For the past few weeks now, I've been talking about BITTOKEN miner. There's the reason why I'm talking about this platform, because this platform usually would pay you on a daily basis for just watching ads. On a normal day, you usually would watch ads, right? And when you are watching these ads, how much of these ads that you watch do you get paid for? You watch these ads every now and then. You've been on, maybe you are on YouTube, you're on TikTok, you're on Facebook, you're on different platforms watching ads every day. How much do you get paid for watching those ads? But look at this platform. For the past number of times that you watch ads on this platform, you get at least $1 for watching one ad. You get paid a particular reward points for watching ads. The reward points that you can convert to BITTOKEN, and then you exchange it for money in the exchange that it has been released. Do you understand now? Why not just pay attention to it? Why not look at the fact that you can actually make money from this very opportunity? This is an opportunity for you. Yes, I know that a lot of people may be wondering, can this pay? Will this really pay me? I can tell you for sure that this can change the way you think about making money online. It is high time you started paying attention to this platform, because if it is paying everyone else out there, why not you? Why not you? Because you are always on social media, you watch ads, you go about different platforms, watching different videos. So you see why I'm passionate about this platform. Because this platform will actually put food on your table. This platform can make you to meet your money goals when you are consistent with it, when you pay attention to it. You see, the BITTOKEN platform is not dashing anybody money, no. But you work for your money. You watch those ads, those videos, and you get paid for it. And that's exactly what we are doing on this platform. Why not join us? Why not join us, okay? And that is it. It gives you the opportunity to get paid for watching videos online. I don't know how else to tell you, but if you are there seeing this video, I am telling you right now that why not go to the link in my bio or go to the description of this video, okay? And then click the link. Once you click the link, and then join me and see step-by-step process about how you can get started on BITTOKEN mining, okay? How you can watch ads and get paid online. It is easy. You can easily get started immediately. No matter the time that you are seeing this video, it is never too late for you to join us on this platform, because this is the place where you watch ads daily and then you make money on a daily basis, and then you can cash it out. If this makes sense and you want to get started, all you need to do is to hit the follow button and then subscribe to this channel, share this video, drop me a message in the comment section. Let me know what you think about making money, watching ads, and making money online. If it is not your thing, then this video is not for you. But if you fancy, making money, watching ads, and then making money online, then I think you should give it a try. And then you will thank me later. I will see you in my next video.